Hey everyone, I was outside today. It's freezing cold. You guys don't believe me? I'll show you. God, I have the hiccups. Oh God. Look outside. God, look at all that. See? Hold on, let me zoom in for you. Ignore my hair. See all? Y'all saw that. Everything outside is frozen. Not my Uncle Pepper's car. Not my Uncle Pepper's Jeep. Not the white truck and not the silver truck.
What?
But Uncle Jack's car. It's frozen.
Yeah. Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
I'm sorry, I'm over here making all kinds of noise and everything. Bunion head.
That's Mr. Garcia, aka my dad. Okay.
Love you, fat kid.
I scared him once again, folks. And for you people that had your electricity go out, guess what? I am sorry for you. Ours, it's staying on now. Also today, we're gonna play some games. Not in real life. On this bad boy. You guys remember my Xbox controller? This one? But some of you may remember this one. And if you're wondering if my birthday was a few days ago. Okay, Dad! Sorry. And the title of this will be The Hiccup Boy That Knows All About Snow and Plays on His Xbox. And if you're wondering how old I am, what is 5 plus 3? If you comment 9 in the comments down below, that might be disabled. But if it's not, and you comment 9, you have 5 infinity years of luck. And plus, I don't have a Discord. What? You guys see this button right here? This button right here? If it's white, that means I turned it on. Boom. Controller is on. Xbox is on. TV ain't on yet. TV's on. And happy Valentine's. And this balloon, if you like Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day for you. This will be 20 minutes long. And if you guys play Roblox, send wolf_furry1232 a friend request. I have one more friend request, then I'm clear. Those sounds you guys heard? If you guys hear this kind of sound, hold on, wait for it to load. Long. If you guys hear this sound, that means I'm typing in my Roblox password. If you guys hear fart, ignore it. Yeah. Sorry for that angle. Something was in the way. Playing Call of Duty. Black Ops 3. I need to get such. Big Red. For all the Big Red fans, you're cool. Shoot. Hold on, guys. Yep, I can't check anything. DOP2. Nope. Whoa. Is it working? Oh, that's my character right there. Right there. Right there. This is my character. You like him? What if I pick campaign? Nope. Give it a second to load. It's loading. Give it a second. I'm in campaign right now. Boom. That's me. What? Where? No.
She's safe. You haven't eaten nothing all day.
Are you sure about that? The pizza?
Oh, yeah, donuts already, didn't you?
No, half of it. A little bit, actually. And the pizza you gave me. Duh. What the? Who did that? Sorry guys, I was AFK. Let's get back into the vid. Instead of playing that, today we're going to be playing...
Playing gloves?
Nuh-uh.
What'd you do with them?
I don't know. You guys remember him, don't you? Yeah. Well, sorry guys, I'm going to have to end this video. But for you, Bozos P/Chris, you, Bozos P/Chris, this is only for you. Oi! Father, really? I can't see. This is for you, Bozos P. The first one that gets to comment, send, if you have Roblox and the first kid comment that you make, yeah, send me a Roblox friend request, aka the name of my avatar, Wolf, WOLF _ FURRY 1232. No spaces between Wolf, Furry 1232. Between Wolf and Furry _ But instead of playing that, instead of playing Call of Duty, we'll be playing Minecraft. Oops. I don't know why. My whole house is surrounded by lava. I need to make it 3 blocks wider. Well, I have to end it now. Bozos P, This is Wolf_Furry1232 signing out. Bye, Chris. You're my favorite.